Hi everyone, welcome back. These chocolate lava cookies have a molten chocolate ganache filling. It's chewy, decadent, and simply irresistible. Whether you need to make cookies for Christmas or just want to indulge in some weekend baking, this is the recipe for you. First, we'll be making chocolate ganache. Take 200 grams semi-dark chocolate, chop it into small chunks, and transfer to a heat-proof bowl. Take half a cup heavy cream in a saucepan and place it over low heat until small bubbles appear around the edges. Do not boil it. Pour it over the chocolate, give it a quick stir and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Then next to combine the chocolate and cream until it becomes smooth and glossy. Let it cool down, then keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes until the ganache thickens. Meanwhile, let's prepare our cookie dough. Take a bowl using a strainer, sift all the dry ingredients, that would be 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup cocoa powder, half a teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add half a teaspoon salt and mix them well. In another large bowl, take 3/4 cup softened butter. To check whether it's softened, put your finger on the butter. If it leaves a mark without pressing, then it's good to go. If your butter is cold, then microwave for 20 seconds to soften. Add half a cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup caster sugar, and using an electric mixer, beat it on high speed until it's light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg, vanilla extract, and mix for 1 more minute. Now gradually add the dry ingredients and use a spatula to combine. Once everything comes together, stop mixing. Cover with a plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. Take out chocolate ganache from the fridge and scoop into tablespoon-sized portions and place them on a plate lined with parchment paper. Each ball should be around 25 grams, so feel free to use a weighing scale. Place it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper. To assemble the cookies, scoop out some dough, about 55 grams each, and roll gently between your palms to form a smooth ball. Flatten it between your palms, place a frozen ganache ball in the center, then seal and make sure the ganache is completely covered with the dough. Roll it into a ball and place it on the baking tray. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Leave at least 2-inch gap between each cookies for them to spread. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. Let them cool for 10 minutes on the baking tray, then transfer to a cooling rack. Dust with powdered sugar before serving and enjoy. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know if you liked it. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.